At W.W.Williams, we pride ourselves in being one of the nation's most diversified solutions providers. Founded in 1912 in Columbus, Ohio, W.W.Williams is an industrial, distribution, repair, and service company with locations across the United States and Mexico. Whether a single truck or an entire fleet, from buses to RVs, transport refrigeration to emergency vehicles, we make sure you stay on the road with our expert mechanical service and repair. Our off-highway services include portable and permanent power generation solutions, mining equipment service, marine maintenance, genuine manufacturer parts distribution, and logistics management.
What makes the people unique here is really their commitment to customer service.
It's the attitude, and I feel like that's what's kept Williams around, is it keeps a happy customer base.
Superb service means their truck doesn't spend much time in our shop. They spend more time out on the road.
Our people here are specialists. We train on all the products that we support, so whether it be a Detroit diesel engine, an MTU engine, or an Allison transmission.
Guaranteed truck service in several markets. We also have a company called Desert Fleet Serve, which is a mobile heavy truck fleet maintenance-based business.
Our marine business, we spend a lot of time all up and down the coast working on work boats, pilot boats, tugboats, yachts, and sport fishes.
CT Power, which is our carrier business. We deal with a lot of refrigeration.
We do sales, service, parts, warranty. We have maintenance contracts with customers, food service.
It is helping customers with the right equipment for their applications.
They get superb parts service. They also get superb parts over-the-counter service.
We have a very wonderful customer lounge with recliners. We try to make them feel as welcome here as possible.
We genuinely care at the deepest level. Safety is the first and foremost above everything else.
One of the things you'll notice about every Williams branch that you go to is we're clean, and it makes working so much better and so much safer.
The environment and the culture has been the foundation for us to continue building here, and that's why we've been here this long.
Yeah. Everybody treats each other like family.
We celebrate one another.
They have taken care of me, and I want to make sure that they get taken care of as well.
The opportunity for career and growth within W.W.Williams is astronomical.
We're going to help expand our employees' capabilities any way that we can. The people make it happen.
I love the people here and I love our customers.
I love being here.
I love the company.
W.W.Williams' commitment to being easy to do business with is true and can be tested by anybody.
It's an awesome place.
At W.W.Williams, we are relentlessly dedicated to helping our customers. To find out more, visit WWWilliams.com and consider it done.